Luna Classic is about to make a massive move, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Luna Classic analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in any free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Luna Classic, yesterday we had a beautiful bounce at the support level at 22. I mentioned that it's going to be extremely important for us to try to break above these levels and try to get above these exponential moving averages because of the fact that Luna has not been able to do that pretty much all the way down from over here at 29. You can see that we did have a manipulation wick over here, tried to grab that liquidity and then push further down, continued pushing further down, and every time we have this beautiful wick to the upside, it grabs all the liquidity. A bunch of traders start to think that yes, Luna Classic is going to bounce, and then it continues pushing lower. This is a slow bleed pattern, so you have to be very careful about this, but right now Luna Classic, guys, this is not looking good. Ideally, I mentioned that once we hit the support level, we could look for a nice bullish momentum trade, but we still have not been able to see that. Right now we are trading right below this level and are looking to retest this level once more at 22, and you can see that this would become the third test. If the third test were to break below, that would be a invalidation and the pattern would continue pushing lower. But if we see a nice bounce formation and then that consolidation, then we can start to look for that trade to the upside for around that 29 level to see whether or not Luna Classic and the bulls can take back control. Overall, though, it looks like this BART formation is definitely going to be playing out, right? We had this slow bleed to the bottom side, and the next level of support would be around that 18 mark if we were to see this trade break below this formation. Once we see that move, then we can possibly be looking for a double bottom formation. But again, it looks extremely sad for Luna Classic right now because of the fact that the bulls simply can't break above these exponential moving averages. Of course, this is extremely volatile, and only one news event takes it to create this massive moon candle, right? So we want to be very, very careful before we do enter that shorting position. We want to trade off these liquidity wicks that happen in the upside. Enter that trade because it's a lot less risk for you than entering at the bottom of these support levels for a short. Now over here on the lower time frames, you can see that Luna Classic is beautifully rejecting those exponential moving averages. We got above it for a period of time. You can see we had 6 or 7 candlesticks pushing above, but we still failed to break above that level and then continue pushing lower. I mentioned this to you guys in the last video that it's going to be important to see whether or not we can have a bullish momentum candlestick, right? Not this sort of situation we had prior right here. Same thing exactly happened. We had this little push above this resistance level again, saw that liquidity and pushed back further down, and once again we're seeing the same sort of formation happen once again, where we have this beautiful formation, continuation, and right back down, right? So it's important for the bulls to try to take control of these levels, but if you guys are paying attention, you can see on the 1 hour time frame, we are also creating a W formation. So if this formation is validated, then we can definitely be looking for a long trade, at least to the highs of around the 25 on the lower time frames. So just keep that in mind. If we can have a nice bounce around this level and then have that consolidation and see that bullish momentum, that would definitely validate our W formation to the upside. But if we see a break below this level at 22, that would invalidate the W formation and also cause a massive price to dump right below this level and a consolidation pattern below, right? So we want to be very, very careful if we are looking to enter that long position. If we get confirmation at this W, we can look for that long. But if we see that beautiful move to the downside then and start rejecting this support level, then we would be looking for that short. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. And if you guys are interested in a free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.